Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. So this is the front of the bracelet, and this is the side, and this is the back. So this is a 2-peg, no hook, no loom tutorial, so let's get started. First, you're going to line up your bands in this order. The first 2 bands are white, and then it's just alternating color, white, color, white. So if you look all the way up there, I just alternate my bands with a color and a white. And then that would make this colored in the middle and then the white on the sides. So I'm going to use my pencil loom, and there's a tutorial out there on how to make this. Just check out my videos on my YouTube channel. So first I'm going to start by making a figure 8 and putting it on my bands. Then I'm going to take my next 2 bands, which would be the white and the purple, and put it on my peg right like so. And I'm going to pull up both sides of my white. And that's what you should have. So I'm going to take my white band and I'm just going to put it in the middle of my 2 bands. And the first stitch is different from the rest of them, so just remember that this is a little different. So now I put this in the middle, and I'm just going to pull up my right side and my left side of my white band, the bottom one, like that. Next, I'm going to take my pink band, put on my 2 pegs, and I'm just going to pull up the purple like that. Next, I'm going to take my white band. So now this is when it becomes different. Every time you put a white band on, you're going to put it in the middle, which is what I did before. But now the left side is always going to be inverted and the right side is always going to be just regular. So that means I'm taking my bottom white band and I'm pulling it up. And then for this side, I'm going to invert it, which means I just pull this white one down and then this middle one will go up. So my next band is my colored orange band. So every time you put a colored orange band on, you just pull up your colors on top. So I pulled up my pink band. Now I'm going to put a white band on because that's my next band. And the white band goes in the middle. So every time you put a white band, you go in the middle, and the right side is always just a regular, pull it all the way up, but the left side is an inverted stitch, which means you pull the bottom one down and then you pull this one up. Now I'm putting my colored yellow band on top. So when you put a colored band, you just pull up your 2 top bands. So you pull up orange on both sides. Next is my white band. So a white band means that it goes in the middle. And then the right side is just a regular, you just pull it up, and then the left side is inverted. So you pull this one down and hold it down like that, and then you pull it up. Next is my green band. So green is color, so which means you just pull up the 2 colored bands on the top, which is my yellow. My next band is a white band. So white means that you put it in the middle of your 2 bands. You pull up the right side, regular, and the left side is inverted. Next is my blue band. So blue is a color band, so which means that you pull up just the green on the top. Next is a white band, which means it goes in the middle. So move up to the middle. And then you're going to pull up regular on the right side. Oops. And then the inverted on the side. Next is my purple band, which means that you just pull it up. And then a white band goes in the middle. Right side is regular, left side is inverted. Inverted means you pull this middle one down and then the bottom one up. So, pink band on top. Pink band means colors, so you just pull up your colors. And then a white band means you invert it. Oops, white band goes in the middle and you invert it. So you pull, or you invert the right side and you pull up the left side, like that. And the next one is my yellow band, and this, if I was to end it, I would just pull up both of these bands like that. You just keep repeating over and over. So if you wanted to end it, you put the yellow band on the top and then you C-clip it like that. And then that's the side of your bracelet, that's the front, and that's the back. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit me at thecheesethief.com for more tutorials like this. Be sure to check out my other rainbow loom and craft tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye now.